I hail from Cochin. I live in Cochin, Kerala, and I took this bike say probably 6 months ago by Voltrix Tresor. Why I was wanting to take is because there were a lot of uphills around. So uphill was becoming a very difficult thing, even though I have 27 gears in my size. So it was not very pleasant. So I was not looking forward to actually going and exploring these places. So that's the purpose I was looking at, and then Vignesh told me that this particular bike will come for 80 kilometers if you do the paddling assist, and if comes for 60 kilometers if you just run it on motor. So the battery and all is standard. The tires are Kenda tires, which is something which I knew about. It's standard. And 9 gears are there, and the bike is built for all terrain, and it's waterproof and all those kind of things. So impressed me. So it's like a mobile charger. You can take the battery off and remove it and charge it like a mobile. So convenient, and it's waterproof, so I can do rain rides, I can do exploratory rides, so I'm loving it. So the amount close to 60,000 was a little thing on my head, but then still Decathlon has so many bikes which are mountain bikes which are at 40,000, 60,000, 1 lakh, and also I was okay with it, because I know that if cycle comes with a price, then it has the quality, it has the components and the technology which is built in, and there's an electric cycle, so all these kind of things. Now for this particular cycle, it only takes 2 rupees for a full charge. Thankful to this bike, because I could trust and take it out. And only once did I have a problem wherein the battery stopped, and immediately, as I told, they sent a person from Chennai. He came, I told in the evening somebody boarded from Chennai, came in the morning, he fixed it, and that's all. And that was this level of customer service, which I was very, very happy about, and ever since, no problem. So so thank you very much for to Voltrix and the makers of Voltrix, and Vignesh as well for explaining me and giving me the options available for financing, and also I have taken it and I'm enjoying it. So you guys can also take it. Trust me, it's a very good one. In my inside is RATH_MENON Rath Menon. If you go inside that, I have a few of my rides. So go explore, check out, and enjoy with exploration with Voltrix bikes. Thank you.